Today we're going to talk about what makes this car so unique. This right here is a 1961 Karmann Ghia, one of the most stylish Volkswagens ever made. Come take a look. A little bit about Karmann Ghia. It was built from the Bug chassis, but they wanted to make it a little more stylish, and that's where they came up with this, the Ghia. So we're going to take a walk around this car and show you a little bit about it. So it is an older restoration, but it's really got low miles, only 2,000 to 3,000 after it was done. Pretty clean car. Here, we'll take a walk around. Super clean interior. It's even got AC. Take a look inside. Pretty darn cool. Now we're going to hop inside and take it for a spin. Come on, join us. Fires right up. It's got that original Volkswagen purr. Who doesn't love that sound? All right, we're going to throw it in first, and we're just going to take off. As you can see, the dash is super nice. Everything's clean. We got a brand new stereo with some speakers in the back, and this thing does bump. But yeah, overall, super fun to drive. It's just a blast, honestly. A little bit about this car is it's got a 1600 with dual carbs, and it's got a mild cam to help power that AC, which is right here. Take a look. Ice cold AC. Obviously, we got the super nice view of the mountains here in Arizona. But yeah, this thing just drives so smooth. It could be a daily, it could be a show car, it could be whatever you like.
The horn blows. Does the driver?
Yeah. We're going to go ahead and hang it right here. As you can see, there is a little bubbling in the windshield. It is all original German stuff. So, you know, it's not a $100,000 restoration. It's just a good quality windshield, and it's a good daily driver. This car has been garage kept its entire life since the restoration, and there's really no complaints with this thing. It drives so smooth. Everything's nice on it. Shifting in and out of gears is super easy with this 4-speed. It's just fun. If you're interested, give us a call. As we get back to the shop now, I just want to let you guys know our techs here have looked at the car, and we made sure it's ready to roll and everything's running properly. And if you're out of state, we'd love to help arrange shipping and get it to you safely. We wouldn't want anything to happen to this car. She's a beauty. Here's a look behind the cockpit. Fresh carpet, nice sub. Everything looks good. We're going to take a look at the engine now. It's got a 1600 dual 40s HPMX carb setup, and it's got a performance cam to help power that AC unit. Overall, good sturdy engine, professionally built, ready to roll.